Hello, this is Carlos Asilis from Glovista Investments with our outlook for the week of October the 5th. First, a brief review of the week that just ended. Global equities and risk markets edged higher this past week, with leadership performance driven by value stocks vis-a-vis growth stocks. These dynamics accord well with our expectations expressed a week ago. In particular, our expectation that seasonality considerations would be driving a bounce in risk assets globally. For the week that is about to commence, we do expect risks to be more two-sided in nature. Not only because of the very strong performance we've seen in the week that just ended, but more importantly, because of recent developments concerning COVID infection of US President Trump. These developments do impact the uncertainty surrounding the outcome of the November 3rd elections. For the week that is about to begin, a couple of important developments, including in economic releases, including the release of the service sector US PMI, the vice presidential debate in the United States, and third, an FOMC meeting. These developments are unlikely to move the needle, if you will, in terms of the medium-term outlook on risk assets, but clearly they do introduce some uncertainty factor. Our constructive medium-term outlook on global equities really continues to be anchored on our thesis for continued economic recovery, even though this past week did bring about some negative developments in the form of downward revisions to the quantum of asset purchases by the European Central Bank, as well as recent economic releases that do confirm our sense that the recovery during the third quarter and fourth quarter of the year is likely to be more gradual than expected by the consensus. As we look ahead again over the short term, just to summarize, we do expect risks to be more two-sided in terms of global equities, while retaining our constructive medium-term outlook. We do expect for you to have a good week, and our eyes remain focused on events as well as on the US dollar. Thank you for your attention and have a good week.